The Voice Kids runner-up Darren Espanto also wants to try his hand in acting so he could work with two of his dream co-stars. In an interview, Espanto said he is willing to take up acting lessons so that one day he can be given the opportunity to work with Angel Locsin and Catherine Bernardo. Noon pa po si Ate Angel Locsin at si Ate Catherine Bernardo ang crush ko nung bata pa ako hanggang ngayon. Kasi mahusay ko silang umarte, mabait at syempre maganda. Gusto ko sila makatrabaho, kahit parang ate ko po sila, okay lang po sa akin yon, he said. Espanto cited fellow The Voice Kids finalists Laika Gayranod and Juan Carlos Labajo, who have already been given acting projects having starred in separate Maalaala Mo Kaya episodes. Meanwhile, the young singer urged his supporters not to fight with other fans just to protect him, noting that he and Darlene Vibares, Labajo, and Gayranod are all friends. Sana hindi na mag-away kasi kaming apat po para magkakapatid lang kami, so sana hindi na sila mag-away. Sana ipatuloy nila yung suporta nila sa amin ni Laika at sana hindi na tayo mag-away kahit yung fans si Darlene at si JK, sana bati-bati na lang tayong lahat. One big happy family po tayo, he explained. Backstage before we perform, we always pray. Nagsasabihan kami na huwag kang kabahan. Actually, bago kami mag-perform, nagsusuka kami. Hindi kami mapakali. Umiikot kami ng umiikot. Yung isa tumatalon, yung isa nasusuka. Pero nag-vocal exercise din po kami para ma-warm up yung voice at actually bago kami mag-step sa stage. Ang tingin ng tao sa aming mature na performers pero sa backstage, parang naglalaro pa kami, naghahabulan para mabawasan yung pressure, he added. Now that he is a fast rising star, Espanto said he is reminded of what his The Voice coach Sarah Geronimo once told him. Ang natutunan ko kay Coach Sarah Geronimo, sabi niya sa akin, hindi mo kailangang manalo para matupad ang pangarap mo. Just always believe in yourself and mabait ka lang parati. Keep your feet on the ground and you'll make it. So yun yung tips ni Coach Sarah sa akin, he said. For more latest news, please subscribe and check out our other videos. You may also visit our website at chikahanan.blogspot.com. Thank you.